Hey guys and girls, and welcome to the first vlog in Thailand. As I said, I'm in holidays in Thailand now. I'm currently in Arinara beach resort in Phuket. It's a very good hotel here, and I want to show you around. I will take you to an experience. We'll show you around the hotel, the seaside, we'll show you the beautiful sea, and also maybe some nice Thai street food. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I would really appreciate all of your support. So first of all, you can see me now, and I will turn around so you can see already a bit, a sneak peek. We have a private pool, so that's really cool. So let's turn around again, and I'm filming this with GoPro, so write me your feedback in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. How is the audio quality? How is the quality overall? Please let me know that. So I'm trying something new. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Let's go outside, and here is our private pool. And every room has a private pool, and we have two private pools because there is no room. So it's really beautiful. Look at this. Everything green, and there you can swim. We swim at night also. It's very cool. You can swim, have a talk. I'm here with my best friend, you may know him from other videos, with Dario. Is also a long best friend here. He was also in a few videos earlier. So as you can see here, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And there are all pools which you can swim. It's very beautiful, the hotel. And I think the next time I want to show you, the next thing is the room. So I will take you to a little room tour, and I show you guys and girls the rooms. And after that I will head down to the beach, and there at the beach I show you the seaside. Maybe we will eat something, take a drink, or do some nice drone shots. He has a drone, my friend here, and let's see, maybe we try some drone shots there. And it's very hot, it's really hot. Oh my god, I don't need my cap. I'm already a bit sweating. So I will show you once more the beautiful pool here. And I think let's head out, let's head in. Here is the room, and it's a really good room. We have both separate double beds, which we used, when you know what I mean. So this one is mine, and it's very comfortable. Oi! It's very comfortable. This one, the pillows are just insane quality. They're very soft, not like the other hotels. They're normally very hard, but these ones, really good pillows. And I got 4 of them. That's really cool. So what else? You have this one. You can push it right here. You can close it to have some private space. Maybe we used it also. But that's about this. Then some air conditioner because it's really hot. Because of me. So no, just kidding. And this is his bed. Then he's now in the toilet, so I don't show you how he's in the toilet. You can see this on my OnlyFans. No, just kidding, guys. Girls. So this is how it looks. Just a beautiful room. TV we didn't use yet. Some mirror. And the refrigerator. What we have inside is not spectacular. We drank all alcohol. Now there's a beer left. I think Dario can take this. I take the soft drinks, and that's about it. So I show you everything. I think this is our luggage. My suitcase broke down a bit, and I would say I take you outside again, and then we go to the seaside. We head to the seaside. I show you the beautiful beach, some nice shots. Where from yesterday we did some nice shots where we see the sun going down. It was very beautiful. We made some cool pictures. Follow me on Instagram to see those pictures. make sure to follow now. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and now you followed and you will get luck. Okay. No, just kidding. But there I post all the stories about the holidays and you can stay updated. So guys and girls, I take you to the beach. See you in a second. So yeah, that is Dario that I showed you. Maybe
Hello.
on this side. Yeah, we're together in Thailand with also 2 other friends. And yeah, now I want to show you a bit the hotel. Maybe can I go first? Dario, then I can show everything. Or you can enjoy here. No, this is our pool. And this is the private pool, which isn't that private. We were lucky that we are on the other side. And yeah, as you can see, it's very beautiful. It's 4-star, the hotel, so nearly 5-star. And the breakfast I want to show you as well tomorrow. It's very delicious, isn't it?
Yes.
And yeah, the weather's also good today. Yesterday it wasn't that good, and the day before it was rainy, because it's also rainy season here in Thailand. They have just 3 seasons: rainy, winter and summer. Not like we have in Europe 4 seasons. They don't have spring and they don't have autumn. So just rainy, which is at the moment, and summer and winter. So here you can see the pool. Very nice, but we prefer to just swim in the sea instead of the pool, because pool we have also at home, and the sea we don't have in Switzerland. The sea we now have ocean, so yeah, it's better to use that opportunity and hop into the sea instead of just the pool. But yeah, here as you can see is the breakfast area. Here we ate every day breakfast. Not today, we missed it today for some reasons I don't want to explain. So as you can see, the sea is very near, and yeah, now you can see me again. We will soon be there, and oh my god, the power is really low. I hope it will be enough to show you everything, because I'm recording in 5K. That's the best quality you can have. So I hope we see us in a minute. So here, guys and girls, is the sea that I show you, the seaside. And Dario is heading again to the hotel room because he forgot his towel, and we will just be chilling out a bit now. Maybe we will also swim in the sea, I guess. As you can see, it's very beautiful sea, it's very clean. They clean it every day, I guess. So yeah, it's very very hot, and I already got a sunburn, as you can see here. So I really need to protect myself a lot. And yeah, I think we won't go partying tonight. Okay, we say this every time, but then we still end up in some club or in a bar. So yeah, enjoy the view. Make sure to like and subscribe for more vlogs. And yeah, I will try to make the vlogs a bit longer than just a few minutes. I will not cut that much, but I want to show you just raw material of everything. So make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys and girls in the next video. Have a nice day, and bye bye.